Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package here. Now this did come in an outer bag as well, but I just wanted you to see how this came. They're packaging this up very nicely, and I'm excited to get into this. This is something I'm excited to see. It might be a bit emotional to see, but I'm excited to get into this. So this is from Coo Deals. My friend Allie over at Coo Deals, that's where he works now. He asked me about getting a few things and asked me about some special things. And so I actually have some special things in here, and that's what's exciting. So look, it's all wrapped up in this bubble wrap. Oh, I got a little bend. It's all poured glue, so it shouldn't matter. It's got some foam in the bottom to like protect it. So, all right, let's see. I think we're going to save that one to the end. So over at Coo Deals, they're trying to kind of up the game a little bit, do things a little bit differently, a little bit special. I got foam on me. Can't get rid of the foam. Okay, there we go. And I'll talk about that when we look at them. Okay, let's look at this one first. This will be fun. I think I know what this is. So he really, he's got the stock images and things like that, but he really over there wants to focus on things like custom diamond paintings, and that's what that one is. Sorry. It's all tucked in here. So they got a big long bag and they've tucked it all in. This is another thing that they really wanted to focus on. Okay, look at this. You got it. It is a mystery painting. Question mark right there. It always has your name on it. So it'll have your name on it. It's a 24 by 24 centimeter. It has 20 colors. It has the DMC codes. Of course, there's no colors there. Just the symbols. Just the DMC number. You could look them up, I suppose, and figure it out, but you're going to have the colors here anyhow. Here's their toolkit. It comes with 2 pens. Both of them have multi-placers, some baggies, a moss for boat, a little updated toolkit. All right, so we got this cute little 24 by 24. I believe they had categories, like you could pick landscape or floral maybe, or maybe cartoon. They had some different categories you could pick for your landscape or your mystery. Sorry, for your mystery. I don't even remember what I got. I kind of think I got landscape, but I don't know. Almost looks like mountains. I don't know. I have no clue. That's a pretty good mystery, though, that you can't tell what it is, right? Could be a basket of flowers for all I know. I really don't have a clue. Anyhow, here's the drills. So let's see what their little, they have an inventory sheet. Shouldn't have anything on it, right? Yeah. Now, right now, the supplier that they're using, the factory they're using, can only get the drills in these small individual bags for now. Now here you get some colors, but you're going to see the colors anyhow. So this is what they can get at their factory for right now, is this kind of drill in the small bags like this. Is it a deal breaker? No. Are they fun? No. I've kitted up, oh boy. I have kitted up a whole bunch of paintings with this kind of drills before, and it's not that huge a deal. So look at my colors. Salmons, pinks, teal, some blues, peach. That's my colors. No idea. No idea what it is. But like I said, you can get a variety of mystery paintings there. And if that's something you're into, he asked me if I would like to try one. And I said, sure, I would get one and show you guys. All right. What else do we have? These, I believe, are just some like stock paintings or whatnot. Everything's tucked in here, though. It's all tucked in. Now this one comes with the little strip, tells you it's a 30 by 40 and has a picture on it. Okay. It's not wanting to focus. and it's really small. We'll look at the painting. All right. They are poured glue. They're a nice canvas. They're not a super heavy, stiff canvas. They're what I would call a little more pliable. Let's get into it. All right, same toolkit, inventory sheet with every single one, and again, the small bags. I am probably not going to open these because you can see all these colors. Browns, tans, greens, and yellows. Greens, yellows, some gray, tans, gray. Oh, and then we have a rust color in there. So that is the colors. We're not going to open all those. My days of opening those and checking them and inventorying all of them are gone, folks. Gone. Okay, I like this. Now, okay, the first order I got from them, the paintings had guide circles. And guess what? They don't anymore. So we have an improvement already. We don't have guide circles. Very clear drill field, easy to read, no guide circles. So, you know, it's a newer company and we got to give them some time to work through some things, right? 25 colors, DMC codes and everything over here. Just as pretty, they're jars, mason jars, all for St. Patrick's Day. We got the horseshoe, clovers, a basket of pretty little daisies. It's very pretty. I liked it. So there's that. And it does come with an inventory sheet. And your inventory sheet has all of the symbols here, the color number, how many bags you should have. This is the number of drills you should have. So you should have 3 bags of 319 because you'll need 529 drills. All right, that's how that works. And there's the picture of what it should look like when it's done. Very pretty, right? Very pretty. I liked it a lot. All right, I got another stock image. So I got 2 of like the just stock image, 1 mystery, and 1 custom. All right, this one looks like it's larger. What do we have? What do we have? There's my little piece of paper there. Again, it's poured glue. Good, no guide circles again. And we have this whole white background on this one and no guide circles. Yes. So you see, we just talk to them. You know, it's a new company. He's always open for listening to our suggestions. And that's how things improve and change, you know? So, all right, same toolkit. Here's our drills. It's got a lot of white because this is what it is. It's a 35 by 35. You know, I haven't measured these, but I'm going to guess that they're a little bit smaller than that. So let's see. What do we get? 29. So, yeah. You know how these smaller projects work. But it's just these cute little leprechauns. Leprechauns. I call them leprechauns. They're gnomes. Hello. Gnomes, be mine for Valentine's Day. That does say love right there in that heart. I'm not certain how well it's going to turn out, but no guide circles. Love it. Look at the background is completely confetti. Here's one of those paintings. I've said it before. I would get rid of the white background, you know. Anyhow, it's cute. It's just a little Valentine thing. I will show you the inventory sheet for this one, if I can get it open. And then we'll kind of look at the colors in the bag. So the inventory sheet, it has 30 colors. Wow, that's a lot of colors for that small little painting. There's the Be Mine. Here's what it looks like. Like I said, here's your number and symbol on the canvas. Here's the color number, the DMC code, and how many bags of each you'll have. We have 8 bags of 666. I know there's, yeah, there you go. 29 bags of 5200. They're like 200 in a bag, I believe. All right. So look at all the white. Look at all the white, 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 white. But then all kinds of pinks and salmon and red And there's a little bit of gray. There's our colors. All right. Super cute. Cute. Love it. All right. So my guess will be that eventually they will change these drills. You know, it's just right now, it's what they have. It's a smaller, you know, it's just a smaller, what's the word I'm looking for? Smaller company. And they don't have access to drills that come, you know, zipping out of the auto bagger type thing. So anyhow, they're buying their drills, I'm sure. And that's what they can get. All right. Okay, here's the one I'm really interested in. I could do without the foam. I might tell him that. I don't know what good it really does, but I think the bubble wrap is fine. And the foam's just kind of all over the place. Okay. I had a picture, and I've looked at the picture for a couple of years now, and thought that maybe this could be a nice custom. But I did not like the background, okay? I asked him, I said, is there any way you can change the background? You know, like make it trees or flowers or something, because the background was the inside of the car where you could see the dashboard and the, you know, windshield and all that stuff, and it wasn't what I wanted for this. And he said, let me check with the designers and I'll get back with you. And he did, and came up with this. Now, if you've been around any length of time, you would know that that is my dog, Onyx, who I lost a couple years ago. And I wanted to do a custom painting of her. Well, there she is. And like I said, that picture was taken in the car with all of the dashboard and everything behind her and the windshield. And now she looks like she's sitting outside in front of a tree. Nice, right? I have plans for when I'm going to do this one. So, yeah. Here's all the colors. Oh my gosh. So browns, blues and greens and stuff for the trees, and the grass back here is that bright green. I can see that in there. Huh. Very nice. I knew it wasn't going to be bright, but I mean the blue on her kerchief. We had just come from the groomer, and she got a little kerchief there. I love that girl. I still miss her. All right, so here it is, folks. My first look at it. What's it look like? What does it look like? There is my Onyx. Hang on, I got some plastic causing me grief over here. There is my girl. It's a 45 by 45. I think that's plenty big enough because it's, oh my gosh, that's my girl. That's her. Wow, right? Wow. She was looking back at me. I was holding her. She was in my lap, and she was looking back at me, and, you know, I snapped the picture of her. I mean, the picture itself has this little, like, glow in her eye. I don't know if I'll change that, fix that, maybe kind of take that little reflection out of her eye or what, but it doesn't matter if, you know, you can see any pattern on the kerchief. I mean, there was a pattern in it, but you can't really tell it in the picture even, so it's fine. There's the green grass, the tree. Wow. What do you think? I mean, if I remember, I'll put a picture at the end of the original photo, and then you can see how it changed to become this. Look at her little gray beard, her little mustachey. Yeah. She's such a sweetheart. Yeah. I love you, girl. Okay. So I'm going to do this one this year in a couple months. I'm going to do an animal event, and I think this is the animal I'm going to do. I might do some other animals too, because this one isn't very large, but there are 42 colors. 42 colors for her. That's something. Look at all the pretty colors though. Greens and browns and blues. I don't know what color she's going to be. She was very like black, but, well, she was black, but she was getting lots of gray. Anyhow. So like it looks like some of the main color here is V and Y. Y is 939. Okay, very dark blue. And V is 823. So she's actually going to look very bluish. But, you know, those are such dark blues. They're almost black. And then I think they're going to be mixed with some brown colors. We'll see how it turns out. Anyhow. All right. Thank you so much for sending this to me. And I think they really did a nice job on the custom. I will put a picture at the end of where we started. And then you'll know what they fixed for me. Anyhow. Okay, I'm going to go and put all this stuff away. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like hang around for a few months. It's going to be a few months before I work on her. But I'm going to do that. And you'll get to see her. So, yeah. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. If you're new and you enjoyed it, think about subscribing, hit the subscribe button. And if you really want to support the channel, you can do a Ko-fi or you can become a member of my channel. There's lots of ways you can support, and you guys do, and I appreciate it, and I love all of you. All right. Okay, I'm going to go now, and you guys have a great day. All right, I'll talk to you soon.